Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a review of this Marc Jacobs bag, the sack bag. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then just keep watching. So if you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know I'm a big Marc Jacobs fan. I feel like his price points are great and the quality of his bags are just immaculate. So this bag is no different in my opinion. Great quality, great pricing, and I think an overall really good everyday bag. So this bag is in the color apple, which I feel like is so fitting for this gorgeous color green. And of course it comes with this really nice full grain leather. I just want to bring it closer so you can see just how beautiful the grain is on this leather. Then of course it has the beautiful The Sack Bag Marc Jacobs right on the front. So it's definitely a little pop of Marc Jacobs. If you're not big into logos, this may not be the bag for you. I personally think this font is so clean, so pretty. I love this pop. If you prefer a more subtle look, then you can always wear it this way. Also beautiful. So then it just has this great patch, and it does say Marc Jacobs, the sack bag. So pretty. I absolutely love this silhouette. It's so unique. It's minimalist, but in such a good way. It's not too understated or too overstated. It's just a really nice balance. So this bag retails for $325 and just feel like it's such a great everyday bag. Definitely a good handheld bag, definitely a good crook of the arm bag. It is so pretty. I feel like it has just such a fun look to it. You could definitely dress this up with a little black dress and add a little pop to your outfit, but at the same time, easily wear this on the everyday, and it definitely holds all your essentials. So this handle is super soft and squishy. I love this handle. It is so nice, so comfortable to wear. And then the inside of this bag has a magnetic closure, which is so great. I love magnetic closures. It just makes closing your bag so easy. I hate having to find the hole to make it close. So it has a magnetic closure on both sides of the bag, which is really nice. So then if you look inside the bag, it's just a large compartment on that one side. Then you're going to have your little pouch with zipper in the middle. And again, it's got that magnetic closure. Same on this side. You're going to have that really great magnetic closure again. So the inside of this, similar to the other, just a large open space. Now the interior, where it has this really great pouch, actually comes out, which I think is a really unique and great feature. So it does come out of the bag, so you can actually fill it up. Now it is not, let me show you the inside of the bag now that it's out. You cannot remove the pouch entirely. It is sewn into the bag. So that's just to keep it from getting lost or stolen, I suppose, if that were a possibility for someone reaching in and grabbing this and trying to run away. I don't know, that sounds a bit far-fetched, but it really is nice that you can pull it out. It comes with this great silver hardware that says Marc Jacobs. Great zipper pull. Marc Jacobs zipper. Great zippers. And then the interior of this bag is just a really great pouch. So you could put the important contents of your handbag in here, zip it up so it's nice and secure. You could either put your items in it beforehand. If you fill it full though, I would recommend putting it in first and then filling the zipper pouch up with your items. Otherwise, it's going to be really hard to fit it back in with all the things in it. So then you're going to have your pouch in the middle again. You're going to have a nice big open part on that side and an open pouch on that side. So I would put anything of value in the middle pouch, and then anything that you're not too concerned about, lipstick, face powder, on the exterior. I put my keys, my phone, and my wallet in the pouch. So really a great bag. I just think it's so great. Definitely an everyday bag. Fits so much. So the dimensions on this bag are 9 inches in length, which that's a pretty good length in bag, is 9 inches. Then it is 5 inches in height, and then it is actually 5 inches deep, which that's where you're getting a lot of your room. When a bag is nice and wide like that, it just allows you to fit so much in here. You can easily fit your daily essentials. I think this bag would look so cute with a little black dress. Definitely dress it up. Definitely an everyday bag, cute with jeans, and so really pretty. I love this color. Again, the color apple has a really great minimalist, chic, preppy look to it. I just love this so much. And I feel like for the quality of the full grain leather, the plushness of this really soft leather handle, the great magnetic closures, as well as a nice, spacious, yet really cute and preppy bag with the interior pouch, which is removable. I really like that feature. I mean, if you were, digging around, you couldn't find something, it would be so nice to be able to pull this out and find whatever it is you're looking for. I think that would just be so ideal versus, not really being able to get in there as easily with this handle. I just think it might be a little harder to find your things with this handle here. So I think they just really thought this design out really well. Marc Jacobs does. I feel like everything he puts out just has a lot of engineering behind. They really do think through how this is going to be useful to the user. I love that. So really good design here. I feel like it's such a beautiful bag. I love that it's small, but not so small that you can't fit a stick of gum in here. I mean, you can fit all the things. You can easily fit your wallet, your phone, your car keys, your little makeup pouch, definitely all the essentials that you're gonna need on a daily basis in this really fabulous bag. So hopefully this review was helpful for you guys. If it was, please go ahead and like this video. I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe to my channel so I can see you on my next video. Until next time, bye guys.